PT500PLUS Multi-Condition Mechanical Fault Mechanism Research Test Bench, designed exclusively for teaching and scientific research in mechanical fault diagnosis. Integrated PLC system, control motor, coupling, bearing, rotor, dynamic balance plate, shaft, multi-stage parallel gearbox, torque measurement system, planetary gearbox, magnetic powder brake, etc. Key components support a variety of typical mechanical fault simulation. Simulates rotor unbalance and supports dynamic balancing calibration tests. Replicates misalignment faults between motors and couplings. Interchangeable faulty bearings with defects on inner rings, outer rings, rolling elements, cages, and compound composite faults. For collection of vibration and noise characteristic signals. The parallel gearbox allows quick replacement of gears with different defects, such as missing teeth, broken teeth, wear, and cracks. A helical gearbox is available as an optional accessory. Faulty gears for planetary gearboxes are replaceable, covering defects of ring gears, planet gears, and sun gears. Equipped with a service life prediction module, the test bench supports destructive bearing tests. The torque sensor enables real-time dynamic torque adjustment. It supports vibration characteristic analysis of bearing faults, gear faults, and other mechanical failures, and facilitates research on vibration performance under varying load conditions. A touchscreen visual human-machine interface is deployed to display real-time parameters: voltage, current, torque, rotating speed and temperature of the drive motor, input-output rotating speed and torque of the gearboxes, current torque load and operating current of the torque loader. Operating voltage, 380 volts, 3-phase alternating current, 50/60ths of a hertz. Press the emergency stop button to shut down the equipment instantly for operational safety. All parts are machined with high precision, with very small tolerances, and run smoothly in operation. It is applicable to teaching experiments, scientific research, characteristic analysis of fault diagnosis algorithms, and engineering training. PT500PLUS is engineered for authentic mechanical fault diagnosis, teaching, and scientific research.